Yeah, hello everyone. How you guys doing? Top of the day to you guys. Yeah, it's a wonderful Tuesday, and I want to give analysis for the weekend. Greetings to all my IML Dynamics member. Hooray to you guys! You're gonna have a wonderful trading week this week. So I'd like you guys to go through and look at the analysis for the week. I'm starting with GBPCHF. Okay, for the past couple of last week we had this, where we have got a movement, here down here, and can you see this line was broken? And because of this, what happened? We expecting it to hit here. Okay, there's another line that was drawn here, and it moved upward. Okay, it moved by. It was a serious buy. It moved really high, and we got a really high movement at that point. So now, right now, what we're looking at now, um, this just now, right? We're expecting this to, once this line is broken, we're expecting to come down here, okay, for a sell, okay? Once it breaks this line here for a sell, okay? So right, that's from GBPCHF. I'm having a sell. This for the 1 hour time frame, and let's go to Great Britain pound JPY. Let's see what we have there. Okay, let's go to EuroCAD. See what we have there. You see our EuroCAD right now, for the 1 hour time frame. Okay, can you see what's happening right here? The movement is going to move here. Can you see what's happening the past couple of hours? You see what's happening here right now? Is on its way. It's actually on its way going down here. Okay, it's on its way here, and it gets to this point. We expect it to to see a downward movement at this point. Okay, when it gets here, expecting to come down here, and let's see how many pips it's gonna be like. Let's see from here, okay, down here. So we right now it's a beautiful buy. If you're watching it right here, it's a beautiful buy. So we're expecting it to go forward. Okay, we're expecting to go forward and hit the what's called the take profit section here. We're going to hit here, it's gonna go down. So we're expecting, right, is we're expecting to go, so you can set a take profit here at this point as 1.51322. Okay, right now, if you enter, if you're in for a buy, now let's continue. So let's go to that's for EuroCAD. Okay, let's see the 1 hour time. This is 1 hour time frame. All right, you guys should be ready to shoot. Okay, this is the, let's check the daily time frame. What we can see there. Daily time frame, you can see what we can have. What can we see right here at this point? Okay, see, I told you it's buying. It's gonna go to get to this point right here. Okay, right here. Daily time frame of EuroCAD. So we can see from here. Okay, he's gonna get 45. He's buying. He's gonna go get to this point for the daily time frame. But I prefer we do the normal hourly time frame, which is this. Okay, see what we're going to. This our destination here. So expect everyone to set a take profit right here. Okay. Now let's check another currency. We're just doing analysis for a few currencies today. Let's go and let's check on gold and see what we have, what it has to offer to us. You see, we can see gold right here. What can we see in gold? You see, we're expecting it now. It is hit here. We're expecting gold to be a sell. Okay. Okay, right there you can see a teacup that was formed right here. Okay, see the line that was drawn, and it kept going down. At this point, look at this line that was drawn here. Can you see this green line that was drawn here? You see what happens? It's moving towards this direction. Right now, we're expecting a sell, okay, for an hour time frame of gold because once it hits this, he's buying right now. Once he hit this, you know, the resistance is gonna come down here to this point. Okay, that we're gonna be expecting a sell at that point. So right now, it's buying now. We're expecting to sell for the rest of the week. Okay, that's goal. Expecting gold to sell for the rest of the week. That's our expectation for the hour time frame. But let's see the daily time frame. Let's see what it has to offer. Let's see what happens. You see what I was talking about right now? You see, the daily time frame tells you it's going down. Okay, it's going down. Jeez, it's really sad. For it to have a clear picture of it, because or have a clear picture of it, you want to trade the hour at a time frame, which I actually advise our team members to trade. But if you trade it a longer time frame, it's going to be the daily time frame. Okay, but we're trading normal swing trades, so you expect it to to see this. Okay, this is a wonderful analysis for the week. We're expecting gold to sell for the next couple of hours down to the week. Okay, so right now that's for the hour the time frame. Now let's go to another currency. Let's see okay, see the specific trades you're going to be taking. We're not going to take all trades this time around. Let's see what it has to offer to us. Okay, okay, we've got this right, Euro USD. Okay, buying. Once you hit here, you're buying. Okay, gonna be buying. You can remember that. Let's go upward again. Let's see chart on this. So the USD CHF. Okay, this line that was drawn. You can see when it hits here right now, respecting it. When it breaks this line, it's gonna come down here. Just watch me. It's gonna come down here. Watch this when this line is broken down. You see what I'm doing here? Once this line is broken, it's gonna come sell down here for the hourly time frame. Okay, so right now, that's what happens. Once it breaks it, it's coming down here, it's heading down here. But once there's a candle, the buy candle is formed, you expect it to see the USD CHF move, retraces and move down to this point. You understand what I'm saying? You see it retracing to move down to this point. So you're expecting a buy, a beautiful buy of USD CHF in the next couple of hours, in an hour, when we deal with an hourly time frame. Okay? Yeah, hourly time frame, that's what I'm talking about right here. So we're expecting to buy. But once it breaks it, its destination is gonna go down here. You understand what I'm saying? It's gonna go down here. That's for USD CHF. We're expecting to buy. But when it breaks it, it's already broken as far as I'm concerned. It's broken it. So we're expecting to sell. It's gonna come down here. Okay, it's gonna come way down here. Let me see how many peeps it's gonna be like. That's gonna be a lot of peeps. A lot of peeps, which is that's gonna be from there. It's gonna be a lot of peeps from here down here. Like this is it's gonna go a lot of peeps down here. A lot. Oh my, a lot. Over 200 pips. Over 200 pips, you're gonna get it. 200 pips over there. For an hour time when this breaks down, it's already broken this. Let's take cognizance of that. Let's go further. Okay, this is for the weekend analysis. Let's take cognizance. Let's have a book and write this down. Okay, take notes. It's very important. We need to be decisive about our trades. Very, very decisive about it. And let's see GPC check on that. Okay, okay, we talked about this already. Okay, you see the EuroCAD. You see where it's going to? EuroCAD is really once it hit this line right now, it's buying. When it hits here, it's gonna come down here. The support and the resistance, they're actually, they're there. Okay, these are these Fibonacci lines represent the support and the resistance. So we're expecting it to hit here to come to move up because it's on a buy zone section right now. It's buying. When it hits here, you're expecting to come down here. Do you understand what I'm talking about? You understand what I'm talking about? So it's very clear and explicit. So it's going to come down here, at this point. See. So let's see here. It's going to come down here. So that just basically hardens. That's expected to come down here after that. So let's leave it at that. Let's leave it the way it is right now. So that's for that. That's for EuroCAD. So let's be expecting a beautiful buy. Okay, it's still buying. So let's go. So let's not waste our time on this. So you can see what I'm talking about. Once it hits here, make sure you watch it. It's gonna go down here. Okay, but it's still buying now. Our destination is here. Let's be practical about this. Okay, let's go down here. There's EuroCAD. So we just have few currencies for today's analysis. We're not gonna analyze a lot of trades. So let's take cognizance of these few trades I just talked about now. Take cognizance of it, and let's make it worthwhile. Let me see what happens. So right now, not all the trades you're gonna take. There's these few trades that are just launched. So I'm expecting you guys to make do of it and have a wonderful trading week. I expect maximum result for you guys. Look at this USD CHF. An analysis already before. I guess on the daily time frame, an hourly time frame it's beautiful. Which is this. Okay. So respecting a beautiful buy right now. Watch this. You need to look at it. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Yes, it's gonna be buy. It's gonna be buy because once it's aligned, it's break this line, Brexit's coming down here. It's coming down here for Brexit. It's gonna come down here if it breaks this line. Okay, for the hourly time frame, it's gonna come down here. If it's the most break, we're expecting a new candle to be formed. When a buy candle is formed, you're expecting its destination to be here. Do you understand? Yeah, absolutely. See what I'm talking about? See? When it is broken it already, or if a new candle is formed in an hourly time frame, okay, because it's still selling, its destination will be here. So you're expecting to buy the next couple of hours. That the USD CHF. Let's take cognizance of this, and in an hourly time frame. Okay, an hourly time frame. You see that? Okay, so you guys should have a wonderful trading week. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, click down the link below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get more updates as regards our trades. So each time I post an update as regards what's going to happen for the week, you're expected to get updates. And I expect everyone watching this to make sure they use a stop loss. They use proper risk management is very important. Setting your take profit and stop loss is very important. Your stop loss should not be close to your enterprise. If you want to you can decide to know how much you want to make in the forex market. You say you want to make $20, you want to make $30, you want to make 40, you want to make 50 pips, depending on your lot size. So it's very important you set your stop loss to be 30 pips and your take profit to be 20 pips. If you want to make 20 pips, okay, your stop loss should be 30 pips below. You understand what I'm saying? Your take profit should be 20 pips ahead. It should not be the same thing. So make sure you set a stop loss and a take profit. I think you need to know that, okay? And I think I need to explain that in the next meeting I'll be having with you guys. I want to give an typical example. If, for instance, this is actually an enterprise, for instance.